Lied to us. They lied to us. Not because they were evil, not because there's a huge conspiracy theory, but because they honestly believed what they were telling us. Work hard, stay loyal, get the job, buy the house, save some money, and you get to retire someday. Everything's gonna be okay. For some people it did, but for most of us, I'm not seeing that. Generation X, that's not the reality that you woke up to after 40 years of work. And you work your butt off, you stayed late, you missed birthdays, you worked. You missed your kids' ball games, you sacrificed for companies that replaced us with an email. You stayed in crappy marriages that sucked. You put everybody else first. And one day, you woke up and realized, damn, I'm tired. Overweight, maybe you're broke, divorced, unhealthy, maybe you have an addiction, or just effing miserable. All of that was me. Today I'm 57. I had to take a look in the mirror. Overweight, 80 pounds heavier. I had all kinds of health issues. I made so many mistakes that hurt me and people I love. I had a choice. Spend the rest of my life being angry about what I did to my life, or I could stand up, take control over what's coming. I don't know about you, but nobody taught me that. The past is important, but it does not get a vote on what's next. You could be 40, 50, 60. One person I coach is 72. Completely changed her life. You certainly can lose the weight. You can get sober. You can 100% rebuild your money. Rebuild relationships that have 20 years been gone. You can move somewhere new, improve your view. You can start over. Nobody promised us life was going to be easy. But the biggest lie we tell ourselves is that your story is over. As long as you're breathing, you got chapters, plural, left. So let me ask you this. What part of your life are you trying to start over from? If you're following along, please type I'm in so I can see you. I'm an accountability coach and I help people start over. Somebody who's on your side. I have two ways of coaching: a formal coaching program and a less expensive, less formal weekly check-in by phone. Hit me with a DM if you think you'd like to speak to me about that. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I see you on the next one.